All right, let's talk about blockchain. I know, it sounds super complicated, right? But what if I told you it's actually as simple as understanding a special kind of notebook? Let's dive in and break this thing down together. So, for just a minute, I want you to forget about all the computers, the code, the complicated tech stuff. Just picture this, a magic notebook. And this notebook, well, it has some very specific and really important rules that make it totally unique. Okay, so rule number one, this notebook isn't private at all. It's completely public. Think of it like a massive book just sitting in the middle of a global town square. Anyone from anywhere can walk up and read it. No secrets allowed. Now here's rule number two, and this is where it starts to get kind of mind-bending. It's not just that anyone can look at it. The crazy part is that everyone actually gets their own identical copy. There's no one person in charge, no single owner. We all hold the notebook. So you're probably wondering, how on earth does this happen? Well, it spreads kind of like a viral video. You start with your copy, you share one with a friend, then they share a copy with their friend, and on it goes. Pretty soon, this huge network of people all have a perfect copy of the exact same notebook. And this brings us to the third rule, which is maybe the most important one of all. Anything, and I mean anything written in this notebook is permanent. It's like writing with a pen where the ink can never, ever be erased. Once it's there forever. Just think about that for a second. In your own private diary, right? You can scribble something out, you can tear out a page if you really regret it, but with our shared notebook, nope, that is completely impossible. Every single entry is basically set in stone, creating this permanent, unchangeable record of everything that's ever happened. Okay, so a question has probably just popped into your head. If everyone's got a copy and anyone can write in it, what's stopping someone from just adding a fake entry? Something like, hey, Bob owes me $1 million. How do you keep the whole thing honest? Well, the answer is actually pretty genius. It's the final rule, the group check. Before any new entry can be officially added, the entire network of people holding a copy has to look at it and agree that it's legit. You just can't cheat because you've got thousands, maybe millions of people all looking over your shoulder. So let's say you want to add something new, like you draw a picture. In the world of blockchain, we'd call this a transaction. You show your new drawing to everybody, and as soon as the whole group agrees it's valid, everyone adds the exact same drawing to their copy of the notebook. That's how the whole system stays perfectly in sync. Okay, so let's do a quick recap. We've got our magic notebook, right? It's shared by everybody. Its history can never, ever be erased, and every single new thing added to it is checked and approved by the entire group. So, when you take all those powerful ideas and put them together, a notebook that's shared, that's completely unerasable, and that's constantly being checked by all of its users, what have we actually just described here? You've just described a blockchain. That's it. That's the big secret. All that complicated stuff boils down to this: a giant, unerasable notebook that the whole world shares and maintains together. And this is really why it all matters so much. We've basically created a system, a notebook, that we can all trust without needing a bank or a government or some big company to be in charge. We found a whole new way to keep track of things that are valuable. So the real question isn't just what is blockchain anymore, it's, now that we have it, what incredible things can we build?